Hey everyone, Film Secrets here. In this video we're going to be learning how to create realistic motion in 3D space. So to accomplish this handheld camera effect, we're going to be recording our footage in real life. So here's a clip of me walking and moving somewhere in my backyard. Here's my footage in After Effects. I'm going to drag it into a new composition and I'm going to select track camera. And I'm going to fast forward this because this will take a while. After eternity, the camera track is done, and the reason we're camera tracking is to get that realistic camera motion and copy into a fake 3D camera. So what I'm going to do is quickly normalize my 3D environment, and to do that I'm just going to shift select a point on the ground, set ground plane and origin, and create solid in camera. I'm going to move my track solid under my 3D camera, pair the 3D camera to the track solid, go to position, 960 by 540 by 0, go to the rotation, 270, 0, 0, go to layer, create a new solid, make that solid 3D, and then scale the green solid to a point where the black solid looks about the size of the composition. I'm going to delete the black solid, and I just normalized my 3D environment, so it's going to be a lot easier to place things. Alright, after we're done normalizing, let's make sure we make the 3D tracker back to none so it's not still paired to the track solid. We're going to add a new solid and add an instance of element. You don't have to do element, you can do an image like a background image and place it really far back to get that 3D motion like you're in a different place. But for educational purposes, I'm just gonna use a Star Wars corridor. So once I have this corridor from Video Copilot's Star Pack, I'm gonna click OK. I'm going to go to group 1 and go to group utilities and create a new group null. I'm going to rotate it to where it looks like we're looking down the corridor. I'm going to move it up a bit and then scale it to about 600. I'm going to move this down and just try to match the eye level and just kind of play around with the settings for a minute. After playing with the settings, I positioned the corridor to about the height I was holding my camera when I filmed my footage. If I play this back, I get this realistic handheld motion. That's really all there is to it. It's a very simple effect and makes your 3D scenes look more realistic. At this point you could add ambient occlusion, motion blur, and color correction to the scene if you want. After doing so, here's the final result. Thanks for watching everybody. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and stay creative.